What's up, guys? Welcome back to SEMA Day 2. A lot of stuff going on. Check out cool cars, see if there's any other crazy stuff going on. If you guys haven't subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe. Let's go have some fun today.
Oh, that sounds angry. Make some noise, SEMA! We're going back to the future!
Dude, I'm just loving all of these off-road setups, guys. This is so nice. Imagine getting honked by this guy. I'd be scared out of my mind. Okay, this is a perfect example. Look at how tall the truck is compared to how short Rhea is.
I'm not sure.
Okay, you're like 5'2", but look, the bottom of the well is like nearly the same height as you. I gotta show love to this wide body FRS. Look at that. Look at the detail of this. I wonder if this is a wrap. Is this wrapped or is this? Oh no, I think it's. Oh, I can't tell actually. That's really nice. This is so sick, guys. Street Arrows 2JZ Lamborghini. Oh, look at that, dude. Look at how big that turbo is, guys. Oh my god. Everything was just all custom fab. So sick. Look at the exhaust, man. Beautiful work. Damn, Huracan's donk. It's a donk, but it's a sick donk. Like, bro, look at how big these things are, man. Oh my gosh. I would love to see them do donuts in this freaking thing. Such a clean setup. Oh my god. You gotta have a little bit of zip ties in your builds. If you don't got zip ties in your build, is it really a build? Yo, this Golf though, it's so like, it just gives me like kindergarten, elementary school vibes, but still, I love it. Even all the way down to the steering wheel, all the colors. Since Rhea likes this car so much, let's Google it. F355 for sale. You're looking at about, right there, see? 85 grand. All you need is some bags and some wheels, and you got a nice setup. And that gated 6. Shout out to Airlift too. That's sick, man. You can buy it automatic. Yeah.
This man right here.
Well, you're gonna learn stick when we get back home then. The tire literally flew all the way across and it went into the stands. Oh my god, that was fucking nuts. I gotta walk away from the burning yard a little bit before we lose our breath. Damn, look at this FD though. So sick. And this NSX, so clean, man. Bro, check this out. DDE Huracan's Aperta, man. No top at all. That's freaking insane. And the vet that we just saw earlier, literally all gone, bumpers gone and everything just straight out dusted. Check this out, guys. We got Forsberg's drift setup over here from Formula D 370Z. Like, oh my goodness, guys, this is so freaking nuts. Just look at that, man. If I'm not mistaken, I think this is the VR38 build. But damn, this is so freaking beautiful, guys. Dude, this S2K with the Voltex wing, sick. And the hard top. This is cleanest S2K I've seen today. This is absolutely clean, man. Now this is the kind of duck bill I want to put on the GTR. Very huge, aggressive duck bill. That's so, this is like the cleanest wide body FD I've seen yet. Guys, Liberty Walk goes freaking hard, dude. 488, Aventador, Vet, and a Huracan over there, guys. This is so sick. But the only thing that got me wondering is this car is Hawaii plated. If this car comes back to Hawaii, I need to find the owner of this car, man. It's probably almost $2 million worth of just cars and body kit and labor all within these 4 cars right here, guys. These just go absolutely crazy, man. Oh my gosh. And the Supra too. Damn, bro. I love this black and gold look though. Dude, this kit is so sick from Liberty Walk. Since we got to see every single Liberty Walk, the only thing missing is this. Oh my gosh, guys. Out front and center with the carbon barrel as well. Damn. I don't know if I would ever rock this color, but just the body kit itself, that's freaking sick. What a crazy McLaren. Done by Tire Sticker, and they would do it all along the wheels too. That's freaking insane, guys. And we're back, day 2, done. Crazy stuff going on, and I was just like, the amount of smoke I've inhaled today was unbelievable. Like, crazy Hoonigan burn yard. So tomorrow we're gonna go back, check out the rest of the stuff that we missed. There's one thing that I am gonna be searching for. I already saw it on someone else's story, and I actually messaged the guy and I was like, yo, where did you find that one car? But I'm gonna save that for tomorrow. So yeah, if you guys haven't done so, subscribe to the channel, drop a like for today's video. Let me know what was the nicest car you guys saw, comment it down below. So yeah, SEMA day 3 coming tomorrow. Make sure you guys subscribe, drop a like for the video, share the video, and I'll see you guys on tomorrow or whenever this video episode of SEMA comes out. But yeah, subscribe, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Remember, you guys are all called to be great in your own way, stay driven, and always to remember, challenge your standards.